Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you also tired saving AI videos and downloading them in YouTube or Instagram? Then this website is for you. This video is going to be about how to use this website, so let's get started. First, open Google and search there's an AI for that. And click on the first link after that. Just log in and search for the AI you want for. Like I did now, follow my steps and open the website you want and use it. I have searched 3 websites, so enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon.